Hello and welcome to our channel
Kore,
Desi.
and today we are reacting to TXT's new song Beautiful Strangers, which was released 3 weeks ago. Do you have to say something? Do you? Before I start the video.
No, madam, are you feeling uncomfortable?
Why? No.
Schoolboys
Running
fun.
in the fields. Are they bunking? They are not schoolboys.
Coding, glitch.
What was that? Until the light dies.
Feels like a Tokyo drift.
점점 커져 네가 걷는 힘을 따라서 네가 날 불러 날 깨워줬든 이제 널 불러 calling a heaven 서로를 구원해준 이 순간 이 순간을 잊지 마 We do it for love 잊지 마라 forever still Do it for love 두려워 말자 together You 너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원의 약속 주문이 풀린 세계에서 We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers 인상하면서도 아름다운 걸 깨진 유리조차 반짝여 보여 네 꺾인 날개와 내 볼 흉터는 마치 타투 우리 사랑의 장갑 네 등에 흉터에 입을 맞춰 또 한 번 너와 그리는 heaven 세상이 우리 다 비웃어도 두렵지 않을 이유 We do it for love 잊지 마라 forever still Do it for love 두려워 말자 together You 너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원의 약속 주문이 풀린 세계에서 We're beautiful strangers
Nice pause. Nice disruption. Stay calm. Obey the system.
너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원의 약속 주문이 풀린 세계에서 We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers
Nice. Big hit.
I actually didn't get it.
Same.
I was gonna ask you.
So, it was kind of. It was all beautiful and pretty in the start, and their happy lives, and then
It was, I think, somewhat related to like the system which is flawed, and they try to keep you in the
it
system.
kind of reminded me of Ayu's song which she did I think a year ago or so with V. I think it was Love Wins All or Love Conquers All, something like that. It kind of reminded me of that.
So I felt it was something related to the system. You can't exit the system. Things were written, but they say that we are still strangers, but we do it
Honestly, it was quite difficult for me to relate the lyrics with the video?
But it was shown a industrial society, kind of a dystopian world. No utopia. Dystopian.
The only utopia they had was in the green fields.
Yeah, when they were
and then
running
it was shown a little bit in the end as well.
Yes. So dystopian.
Basically, they were trying to find a silver lining in
the system.
the current lives they were living. We do it for love. Basically, we are surviving for a hope.
Yes, and they emphasized on the line, "We are strangers, but
Beautiful strangers."
Beautiful strangers. So it's like strangers can still help you, kind of that feeling. I don't know. It was difficult to understand. Like I
Yes.
would want to know their inspiration or
The story behind the song. That would be better. Is there something in their description? The star chapter. So is it like a series of songs or an album they are releasing the star
It
chapter?
must be a part of an album.
Location, go location. What do you think?
Let's read the comments. Maybe then we get to know.
We Do It For Love really sums up TXT's discography. They are always on a different level when it comes to their music, not following current trends but sticking true to their style.
That I can feel. Oh, they are the only K-pop group who has always ranked on Billboard 200 every year since debut.
Wow. They are big hit, obviously. I would still like to understand.
Nothing as such.
Yes. I mean, we reacted to their previous song and it was beautiful, if you remember. But this one I could not relate to. Maybe because we haven't listened to TXT much. It can be because of that. So we don't know what kind of melodies they make, produce, and what kind of songs or genres they play with.
Yeah. What is their inspiration? What are the
Exactly.
topics they generally touch upon?
Yes, because that is very important to understand like who they are as a group and then trying to understand their art.
Yes. And I think that's it for today then, because
Yes.
you definitely need to understand more, and
Yes.
see you guys in the next episode, next
Bye.
video. Bye.